Sample project files are attached to the program. We will open one of them. We click File, Open. We look for the one called Multi-Level Roof. We mark it and click Read. An analytical model of the bar structure has appeared in the main area. Using the scroll button of the computer mouse, you change the zooming value. We can also change this by changing the slider value for the option Zoom. With the slider, we can also change the field of view. When we press the left mouse button in the work area, we can rotate the structure. When we press the right mouse button, we can move the construction. While holding down the Shift key and clicking the left mouse button on the bars, we select the bars in turn. Clicking Escape will deselect the selected items. While holding down the Shift key and specifying the covering area while holding down the left mouse button, we can quickly select bars. When the Shift and Control keys are pressed simultaneously and specifying the covering area with the left mouse button pressed, we can quickly deselect bars. Click the Lock View button. By clicking inside the work area, I can check if it is locked. Click the same button again to unlock the workspace. Using the buttons in the lower right corner of the program, we can change the view. Clicking the right mouse button in the program workspace, by selecting the standard view, we can also choose the displayed view. Let's click the Lock View option. By clicking inside the work area, I can check if it is locked. Click the same button again, and then it unlocks the work area. We can quickly center the screen. Other options are used to configure bar drawing parameters. These options are known to us from CAD programs. The project navigation tree is on the left side of the screen. By clicking on individual elements on the navigation tree, we can expand them and view their content. The project tree contains a list of structural and non-structural elements defined in the project, including cross-sections, nodes, supports, bars, groups of bars, loads, etc. You can also easily modify individual design elements from the navigation tree level. By expanding the bar group positions and selecting the appropriate group, the rafters belonging to this group are marked in the work area. Using elements in the navigation tree, you can quickly modify the structure. You can, for example, quickly change the cross-section of members to the corner rafters group of the tree. In order to facilitate work in the program, a bookmark system has been defined in the program to carry out the next steps in the design of the structure. Each tab has a corresponding design stage. The tabs are arranged in a logical order, starting from the definition of geometry, Geometry tab, Loads, Loads tab, Presentation of Results, Results tab, Design and Verification of Structure Elements, Design and Verify tab.